Electric trikes aren't just for hauling groceries anymore. These days, they're bold, powerful, and sometimes unexpected. From rugged, fat tire beasts built for adventure to sleek folding trikes you can stash anywhere, these are the top 15 wildest, weirdest, and coolest electric trikes you can buy right now. Links to find out more information are in the description, so let's go. Number 15, DWMEIGI Silverado. Starting with the DWMEIGI Silverado, a heavy-duty electric tricycle built for riders who want stability and serious hauling capacity. This fat tire trike features a 750-watt front hub Bafang motor and a 48-volt 14-amp-hour lithium battery that is mounted directly into the frame. The standout feature is its oversized rear cargo basket, perfect for groceries or even your furry co-pilot. Up front, you get a suspension fork, and the wide 4-inch tires keep your ride more stable. It comes with a step-through frame for easy access, integrated lights, and disc brakes all around for reliable stopping. Number 14, Addmotor Grandtan M340. And for about $300 less, you could get your hands on the Addmotor Grandtan M340. This fat tire electric trike brings a 48-volt 750 hub motor paired with a larger 20-amp-hour Samsung battery rated for up to 85 miles. It features classic trike stability with a wide step-through frame, a cushioned saddle with adjustable backrest, and both front and rear baskets included in the price. The ride is smoothed by an Add-Shock suspension fork and mammoth 4-inch fat tires. Safety extras include integrated LED headlights, full-function taillights with turn signals, and Tektro disc brakes in each tire. This e-trike does have a torque-sensing pedal assist system, as well as a 5-inch LCD. Actually, not bad for $25.99. Number 13, Rad Power Bike's RadTrike. But for over $1,000 less than that, you could get the Rad Power Bike's RadTrike. Priced at just $14.99, the RadTrike is a value-packed electric tricycle designed for riders seeking stability and ease of use. Its simplified design and front hub motor deliver solid torque and a reliable ride for errands or leisurely outings. With 18 by 2¼ akin to contact tires and a low step-through frame, it offers a smooth, balanced ride. Plus, the RadTrike features optional front and rear baskets, and stopping power comes from front mechanical disc brakes with motor cutoff, and an integrated LCD provides all your needed data. And speaking of needed data, do you like e-ridables like these? Subscribe for more. We have a lot more content on the way. Number 12, Lectric XP Trike. Also priced at $14.99, the Lectric XP Trike is the perfect ride for sunny days when you just want to cruise around town with ease and confidence. It's a fully foldable electric three-wheeler with a powerful 500-watt nominal, 1100-watt peak motor tucked into the rear axle. It's got a 13-amp-hour UL-certified battery that delivers up to 50 miles of range. Hydraulic disc brakes provide solid stopping power, or so say the riders, and the low step-through frame makes hopping on and off easy just for about anyone. The Lectric XP Trike turns any ordinary ride into a smooth, carefree adventure. Number 11, DWMEIGI Zeus. This next sturdy, low-step, fat-tire electric trike is designed for those who crave comfort and cargo-capable fun. At its heart is a 750-watt motor paired with a larger 18.2 amp-hour battery, giving you a torquey ride and a claimed range of up to 60 miles. The front suspension fork and wide 20x4-inch fat tires soak up bumps whether cruising on the pavement or venturing onto the beach. Safety is front and center with mechanical disc brakes and a twist throttle that even includes a handy walk assist mode. You also get an LED headlight and taillights and a large LCD display plus front and rear baskets. Really not a bad deal for $19.99. Number 10, Viribus SC5. And for about $500 cheaper, you could get your hands on the Viribus SC5 fat tire electric tricycle. Powered by a peak 750 watt motor alongside a 48 volt 15 amp hour UL certified battery, the SC5 zips along at up to 20 miles per hour with pedal assist extending your range to around 40 or 50 miles. Plus, the battery is lockable and removable, making charging safe and convenient. And thanks to 20 by 3 inch fat tires with puncture liners and a spring suspension fork, this trike glides along smoothly, negating most road imperfections. Comfort is also front and center with an oversized cushioned seat with backrest included, adjustable handlebars, wide step-through frame, and fenders on all wheels to keep the ride clean. Not bad for $14.99. Number 9. Emojo Caddy Pro. And at $25.99, the Emojo Caddy Pro blends thoughtful design with utility, making it perfect for errands, beach days, or leisurely rides around the neighborhood. At its core sits a 500 watt brushless motor powered by a 48 volt 15 amp hour UL certified battery. You can cruise at up to 20 miles per hour, while pedal assist extends your range up to 45 miles. Plus, rolling on fat 4-inch wide tires, 20-inch in the rear and 24-inch in the front, the Caddy Pro oozes stability and comfort. Front suspension smooths out road imperfections, and hydraulic disc brakes deliver confident stops. The design prioritizes rider comfort with a wide cushioned seat, backrest, adjustable step-through handlebars, and full fenders to keep things clean. Number 8. Eunorau New Trike. Now this next electric trike, the Eunorau New Trike 2.0, is a folding 3-wheeled e-trike. At its core, the New Trike 2.0 packs a 500 watt hub motor, peaking at over 750 watts, helping you cruise at up to 20 miles per hour, even on inclines. Powering it is a 48 volt 20 amp hour Samsung battery mounted just behind the seat. The ride quality is boosted by fat 20 by 3 inch Innova tires on a folding aluminum frame, hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, and a telescoping stem that lets you fold it flat with a quick release clamp. Riding comfort is top tier thanks to its plush saddle and adjustable backrest, which you can fine tune to fit riders from about 5'1" to 6'4". The payload capacity is 440 pounds. Number 7. TopMate ES35 Folding Electric Trike. The TopMate ES35 offers a compelling mix, lightweight, compact folding design with a removable battery suitable for travel. This little e-rideable is especially useful if you need seated mobility but also want something portable. It features a 250 watt motor with 3 speed modes, reaching up to 15 miles per hour, and a removable 36 volt 7.8 amp hour lithium battery. Plus, the battery is FAA compliant, so you could even fly with this e-trike. The trike rides on 10-inch pneumatic tires and includes widened footrests, a front drum brake with a hand lever, and an LED showing speed and battery life. Price starts at $7.99. Number 6. Addmotor CityTri E310. Another entrant from Addmotor, the CityTri E310 is a super sleek and portable folding electric trike built for comfort, stability, and practicality. Priced at $17.99, this 3-wheeled e-trike features a 750 watt rear drive hub motor paired with a 20 amp hour UL certified battery. The CityTri E310 is designed with a sturdy step-through frame that folds down for easy transport and storage, making it ideal for commuters or even RV travelers, while its tires provide excellent stability and traction on pavement and light off-road terrain. Plus, the dual rear wheels and front suspension fork ensure a smooth, controlled ride. The trike even comes standard with a comfortable, oversized saddle with a supportive backrest, ergonomic handlebars, and an integrated lighting system. Wow, moving on to number 5, it's the Oh Wow Bikes Conductor Plus. And anyone looking for a premium e-trike should feast their eyes on the Oh Wow Bikes Conductor Plus, a premium electric cargo trike that blends functionality with vintage-inspired aesthetics. Built on a sturdy steel frame, it features a 750 watt motor paired with a 20 amp hour lithium battery. Its other standout feature is the spacious front cargo box. Think old school rickshaw style, perfect for hauling groceries, packages, pets, or even children. This cool trike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, a cushioned saddle, and upright handlebars, providing extra comfort for extended rides. while the integrated fenders and lighting enhance all-weather usability. The price is steep though at $3,800. Number 4. Addmotor Arisetan M360. Rounding out the lineup from Addmotor, this is their third and final contender, and it's a serious heavyweight in the e-trike game. Meet the Addmotor Arisetan M360, the final blow from Addmotor in this electric trike showdown, and it's a real showstopper. This beast blends rugged power with sleek style, packing a punch with its 750-watt motor that'll zip you up to a speedy 20 miles per hour. Need stability? The three wheels have you covered, and they're perfect for cruising smoothly over any terrain. Plus, the Arisetan M360's comfy saddle, recumbent vibe, and wide handlebars make every ride feel like a miniature adventure. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just having fun, this electric trike's got the muscle and the moves to keep you rolling in style. Number 3. Eatich Electric Tricycle. Next up is the Eatich Electric Tricycle, and this thing is basically your personal mini delivery truck, but cooler. With a decent sized rear cargo basket and even a rear seat, it's built for hauling in a small size. It comes with a 350-watt motor and a removable battery so you can swap and roll. The three-wheel design keeps you stable, and the upright riding position makes for a super comfortable ride. Not bad for $599. Number 2. CroSight Electric Tricycle. If you want fat tires, electric power, and foldable convenience, all without wrecking your bank account, the CroSight Electric Tricycle has you covered. Coming in at just $999, this three-wheeled cruiser rocks chunky 20x4-inch tires that can handle sand, snow, or heck, even the beach. Plus, it actually folds up for easy storage. This e-ride will cruise you up to around 22 miles per hour, and depending on the battery option, you can stretch your rides up to 45 miles. Affordable, practical, and surprisingly fun, the CroSight is one of the best entry-level e-trikes you could get your hands on. Number 1, ding ding ding, the MAXFOOT MF30. And finally, at number 1 is the MAXFOOT MF30, a rugged electric trike that's all about power, comfort, and hauling potential. Priced at $20.99, this beast comes loaded with a 750-watt motor and a big 20-amp-hour battery, giving you up to a claimed range of 85 miles. But this thing isn't just about long distance. The MF30 rolls on larger 24-inch front and smaller 20-inch rear tires. Plus, it's got full front suspension and a massive rear cargo basket. The comfy seat with backrest and step-through frame make it easy for just about anyone to ride. I think it's safe to say the MAXFOOT MF30 brings serious capability to the world of electric trikes. Well, thanks again for learning about these cargo e-trikes with me. This was a fun list to research and create. Let me know your faves or least faves below, and be sure to check out these additional rideables I've put in this list right here.